Hello students and welcome to the chapter 3-dimensional coordinate geometry. The topic is the straight line. Before that we should do Brahmanath to concentrate our mind and to purify our mind. The Brahmanath is highly essential. So let's do Brahmanath. Om Shanti 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 Swastha. Dear students, in last class we discussed the equation of straight line, that is unsymmetrical form, symmetrical form, 1-point form, 2-point form, and how to convert unsymmetrical form to symmetric form. Okay, today we are going to discuss what is the angle between the line and plane. We know angle between two lines in previous classes. Today we are going to discuss angle between the line and plane, and what is the condition for the line will be perpendicular to the plane, the line will be parallel to the plane, and what is the condition that two lines are coplanar. Let's discuss one by one. Angle between the line and the plane let x minus x naught by a is equal to y minus y naught by b is equal to z minus z naught by c be a line and capital AX plus capital BY plus capital CZ plus D is equal to 0 be a plane. This is suppose the plane, this is the plane, okay, whose equation is AX plus BY plus CZ plus D is equal to 0. This is Cartesian form. This is what? Cartesian form. This is Cartesian form. So the line is like this. Suppose this is straight line. This is straight line whose equation is what? This is straight line whose equation is x minus x naught by a, y minus y naught by b, z minus z naught by c. Okay, now the normal is, suppose the normal is here, this is normal to the plane whose DCS are A, B, C, ABC. Clear? Now what is the angle between this is 90 degree, this is what? 90 degree, and this is suppose theta, and this is what? This is suppose theta. Then how to find the angle between the line and plane? Here this is what? Total is theta, and this is what? Phi, and this is what? 90 degree. So angle between two lines we know, and this is what? Angle between, suppose angle between this is what? Theta, and this is pi by 2 minus theta here. Suppose this is what? This is normal, suppose normal is here, suppose this is the line, and this is what? This is normal, and whose DCS are A, B, C. Suppose this is what? This is theta, and this is what? 90 minus theta. This is what? 90 minus theta. Okay, so that is we know angle between two lines. This is what, suppose this is theta and this is theta, and this is what, 90 degree minus theta. We know that is here DRS of the line, DRS of the line ABC, DRS of normal capital ABC. Okay, so angle, let angle between line and plane is theta. Now angle between line and normal is equal to what? That implies angle between line and normal is 90 degree minus theta. So we know angle between two lines, normal is a line and the normal straight line. Angle between two lines, we know angle between two lines is what? Angle between two lines, we know angle between two lines, that is cos theta is equal to cos theta. Theta means what? Cos theta means what? 90 degree minus theta is equal to what? A into A, B into B, C into C divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square into square root of A square plus B square plus C square. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to what? Sin theta. So sin theta is equal to what? A into A plus B into B plus C into C divided by A square plus B square plus C square, capital A square plus capital, that is small a square plus small b square plus small c square. Now theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to cos inverse A, B and C divided by square root of what? A square plus B square plus C square and again square root of A square plus B square plus C square. This is the angle between the line and plane. Okay. Now that is formula, Cartesian formula. Cartesian form angle between the line x minus x naught by a, y minus y naught by b, z minus z naught by c, and the plane what? Ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is given by theta is equal to sin inverse a b c divided by root over square root of a square plus b square plus c square into square root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is angle between the line and plane. Now vector form. What is vector form of the angle between two lines? What is vector form of the angle between two lines? Angle between line and plane. Vector form. Now this is what? Angle between the plane in Cartesian form. Solution. Given plane x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. So DRS, that implies DRS of normal capital ABC, that is what? 1 1 0, and given line x plus 3 by 2, y minus 1 by 1, z plus 4 by minus 2. So DRS of normal radius of line small ABC is equal to 2, 1 minus 2. Okay. So now angle between the line and the plane is theta is equal to sin inverse AA BB CC divided by root over what? Root over A square plus B square plus C square into square root of A square plus B square plus C square. That is theta is equal to here sin inverse, that is what? This is 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into minus 2 divide by root over, that is 1 square 1 square 1 0 square and root over what? 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square. So theta is equal to sin inverse 2 plus 1 divided by, this is root 2 and this is 4 plus, that is what? Root 9 into root 9. So theta is equal to sin inverse 3 by root 2 into what? 3. So 3 cancel here. Sin theta is equal to sin inverse 1 by root 2 means what? 45 degree. Pi by 4 radian or 45 degree. This is the solution of the now what is the angle between vector form of angle between two lines? Vector form of angle between two lines. A vector form of angle between line and plane. Vector form angle between line and plane. Let R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda into B vector. Okay, be a line and R vector is R dot n vector is equal to D, be a plane. Then angle between line and plane is theta is equal to sin inverse n vector dot b vector divided by n vector magnitude dot b vector magnitude. Now one question, example, find the angle between the line R vector is equal to 2y plus j plus k lambda into I cap minus j cap plus k cap and the plane R dot 2i cap plus 4j cap minus k cap is equal to 5. Here vector A is equal to what? That is solution here, that is given line R dot R is equal to 2y j plus k plus lambda I cap j cap plus k cap. Here A is equal to, here that is B vector is equal to I cap minus j cap. Now plane is R dot 2y plus 4j minus k is equal to 7. So n vector is equal to what? What is n here? That is n is equal to 2y plus 4j minus k. Now b dot n, what is magnitude of b? That is magnitude of b is equal to what? Root over 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is root 3. And magnitude of n is equal to what? Root over that is 2 square 4, and this is what? 16, and this is what? Root over what? 21. So now b dot n is equal to what? B dot n, 1 into 2, this is 2, so 1 into 2, and this is what? Minus 1 into 4, minus 4, and this is what? Minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. So this is what? Minus 1. Now theta is equal to angle between the line and plane. Theta is equal to sine inverse b n vector, that is into b vector dot divided by magnitude of n dot magnitude of b. So theta is equal to sine inverse minus 1 divided by square root of minus 1 divided by root 3 into root over 21, or theta is equal to sine inverse minus 1, and this is what? 3 root 7, root 3 into root 3 into root 7. So theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to sine inverse minus 1 by 3 root 7. This is the answer. Now condition for parallel and perpendicular of line and plane. Condition for parallelism of line and plane. Let condition for line and parallelism of line and plane, and let x minus x naught by a is equal to y minus y naught by b is equal to z minus z naught by c be a line, and ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 be a plane. Observe the figure, that is line here, this is plane here, that is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, and the line is parallel, so this is the line whose equation is x minus x naught by a, y minus y naught by b, and this z minus z naught by c, whose DRS are what? A, B, C, and here this is normal. This is what? Normal. Normal is 90 degree with the line. So DRS of this is what? Capital A, B, C. If the line is parallel to the plane, at the time the normal is perpendicular to the line. If the line is parallel to the line, parallel to the plane, at that time the normal to the plane is perpendicular to the line. So apply the condition for perpendicular between two lines, that is if A by if A into A plus B into B plus C into C is equal to 0, then the line x minus x naught by A, y minus y naught by B, z minus z naught by C is parallel to the plane, is parallel to the plane what? That is Ax plus By plus Cz plus D is equal to 0. This is condition for parallel of line and plane. This is condition. Now condition for perpendicular of line and plane. Now condition for two lines are coplanar. Condition for a line will lie on the plane. Condition for a line will lie on the plane. Okay, so let x minus x naught by A, y minus y naught by B, z minus z naught by C be a line, and Ax plus By plus Cz plus D is equal to 0 be a plane. This is the plane, and this is what? Ax plus By plus Cz plus D is equal to 0, and this is the line. The equation is what? X minus x naught by A, y minus y naught by B, z minus z naught by C. A point here, that is x naught, y naught, z naught. The line will lie on the plane. The line will lie on the plane if every point of line with one condition. If every point of line satisfy the equation of plane. Here one point is known, so that is what? That is A into x0 plus B into y0 plus C into z0 plus D is equal to 0. First condition. And second one is the line is perpendicular to the normal of the plane. The line will perpendicular to the normal. That is what? A into A plus B into B plus C into C is equal to 0. If two conditions will satisfy simultaneously, then the line will lie on the plane. This is the concept, that is Cartesian form here. This is Cartesian form. Vector form. The line R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda into B vector will lie on the plane R dot n is equal to D if number one condition A dot n minus D is equal to 0. Number two condition, that is what? B dot n is equal to 0. Now one question, prove that the lines x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 2 by minus 3 is equal to z minus 3 divided by 1 lies on the plane 7x plus 5y plus z is equal to 0. So, solution given line x minus 1 by 2 y plus 2 by minus 3 z minus 3 by 1. So, a point on line is what? 1 minus 2 3 and nearest of line 2 minus 3 1 and the plane is given plane that is 7x plus what? 5y plus 7 is equal to 0. So, nearest of normal is what? This is small abc and nearest of normal 7 5 1, this is capital ABC. Okay, now put the point on the line. This is now the points what? 1 minus 2 3, that is what? For the points, now the point 1 to 3, verify that the points, verify that the points of the line 1 minus 2 3 will satisfy the equation of plane. So, equation of plane is what? That is 7 into 1 plus 5 into minus 2 plus 3, that is equal to what? That is equal to 0. Okay, 7 minus 10 plus 3 is equal to 0. So, this satisfied. Now, the normal should be what? Perpendicular to the line. Now, the normal should be perpendicular to the line. That implies A into A plus B into B plus C into C. So, A into A, that is 2 into 7 into 2 plus 5 into what? Minus 3 plus 1 into 1. So, this is equal to 14 minus 15 plus 1, this is equal to 0. So, both conditions, therefore, the line will lie on the plane. Now, how to find the equation of plane containing two planes? Condition for two lines are coplanar. Condition for two lines are coplanar. Condition for two lines are coplanar and equation of plane containing both the lines. Equation of plane containing, condition for two lines are coplanar and equation of plane containing both the lines. Let x minus x1 by a1, y minus y1 by b1, z minus z1 by c1 and x minus x2 by a2, y minus y2 by b2, z minus z2 by c2 be two lines. The two lines are coplanar. The two lines are coplanar if x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 is equal to 0. This is condition for coplanar. And the equation of plane containing two lines is either, you write, this is what, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 is equal to 0, or we can write what, x minus x2, y minus y2, z minus z2, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 is equal to 0. You may apply this formula or you may apply this formula for equation of plane. Now question regarding to this concept. Two lines r dot r is equal to a1 vector plus lambda 1 b1 vector, and r to r vector is equal to a2 vector plus lambda 2 b2 vector are coplanar if a2 minus a1 vector dot b1 cross b2 is equal to 0. This is vector form. You should remember this formula. Okay. Now one question related to the coplanar. Prove that the lines x plus 3 divided by 2, y plus 5 divided by 3, z minus 7 divided by minus 3, and x plus 1 by 4 is equal to y plus 1 by 5 is equal to z plus 1 by minus 1 are coplanar. Also find the equation of plane containing them. Solution, given line. Given line, that is what? That is x minus what? That is given line. X plus 3 by 2 is equal to y plus 5 by 3 is equal to z minus 7 by minus 3. Equation 1. And x plus 1 by 4, y plus 1 by 5, z plus 1 by minus 1. Equation 2. Here x1, the points of line 1, L1 is what? Minus 3, minus 5, 7. This is x1, y1, z1. And the point DRS A1, B1, C1, 2, 3, minus 3, 2, 3, minus 3, 2, 3, minus 3, and the point on line 2, that is line 2, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, and DRS is what? 4, this is x2, y2, z2, and DRS is what? 4, 5, minus 1. This is what? A2, B2, C2. This is A2, B2, C2, and this is what? This is 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, minus 3. This is A1, B1, C1. Now apply the condition for coplanar. Now the condition for coplanar. Condition for coplanar. The formula is x2 minus x1, x2 minus what? The formula is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Now x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 is what? The question is x2 minus x1. Apply this concept. Now apply this x2 minus x1. x2 means what? Minus 1 minus of minus 3. That is plus 3. So this is x2 minus x1. This is equal to what? Minus 1 plus 3. And y2 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 5. And minus 1 minus 7. Minus 1 minus 7. A1 b1 c2. 2 3 minus 3. 4 5 minus 1. Now evaluate this. 2 4 minus 8. 2 3 minus 3. 4 5 minus 1. Okay. So this is expanding this. We get here, that is 2 into what? 2 into minus 3 plus 15. Minus 3 plus 15. This is minus 3 plus 15. Minus 4 into, okay. This is 2 into minus 3 plus 15 and 4 into minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 12. Minus 2 minus 12 and minus 8 into what? Minus 8 into, cover this, 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12. So this is one, that is what? 12 into 2, 24, and this is 14. 14 into 4, that is what? 56. So this is 56, and this is what? 8 into this 64. Okay, this is 64. Minus 64 minus 64. So answer is what? Answer should be 0. Okay. So this is what? 2 into minus 3 plus 15 and minus 4 into what? This is minus 4 into minus 2 plus 12. Sorry, this is plus 12. Plus 12. So this is what? This is 2 into what? 12 minus 4 into 10 and minus 8 into what? 8. So 24 minus what? And this is what? Minus 24 minus 40, and this is minus 64. Okay, so this is what? Minus 64, and this is minus 64. Okay, and this is what? This will be plus minus minus. Okay, so 64, this is what? This would be minus. This is what? Minus 2 plus 12. And this is what? This is 10 minus 8. That is what? 10 minus 12. Wrong, it written. That is 10 minus 12. 10 minus 12, not 20 minus 12. 10 minus, this is the calculation is wrong here. So again repeat this. So 2 into cancel this row, minus 3 plus 15. So minus 4 into what? Minus 4 into, so cancel this, minus 4 into minus 2 plus 12, and minus 8 into what? 10 minus 12. 10 minus 12. So this is equal to what? 2 into 12 minus 4 into what? 10, and minus 8 into what? Minus 2. Minus 2. So this is what? 24 minus 40, and this is what? 16. Therefore 40 minus 40 is equal to 0. Therefore two lines are coplanar. Therefore two lines are coplanar. Two lines are coplanar. Now we have to find the equation of plane containing them. We have to find the equation of plane containing them. Equation of plane containing them. Equation of plane containing them. Okay. Equation of plane containing two lines. Containing two lines. That is what? X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 is equal to 0. So this is x minus x1. So x minus x1 means x plus 3, y plus 5, and z minus 7, and this is a 2, 3 minus 3, and this is 4, 5, 4, 5 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now evaluate this, expand this, this is equal to what? Expand this, that is x plus 3 into cancel this, minus 3 plus 15, minus 3 plus 15, minus of y plus 5 into cancel this, minus 2 plus 12, minus 2 plus 12 plus z minus 7 into cancel this, that is what? 10 minus 12. 10 minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is equal to x plus 3 into what? 12, y plus 5 into what? 10, z minus 7 into what? Z minus 7 into minus what? Minus 2. So multiply this is equal to 0. So 12x plus 36 minus 10y minus 50 minus 2z plus what? 14 is equal to 0. So that implies 12x minus 10y minus 2z, and this is what? 36 plus 14. 36 plus 14, that is 40, that is 50. Then 50 plus 50 minus 50. So 36 plus what? 36 plus 14, that is 50 minus 50. So this and this cancel. So this is 12x minus 10y minus 2z is equal to 0. So take common 2, 6x minus 5y minus z is equal to 0. The equation of plane containing this equation. Okay. Prove that the lines, one is symmetric form, another is unsymmetric form, are coplanar. This can be done in two methods. First method is general method, that is we have to convert both the equation is symmetric form. So solution is what? Solution given line x plus 4 by 3, y plus 6 by 5, z minus 1 by minus 2. This is line 1, equation 1. And this is what? 3x minus 2y plus z plus 5 is equal to 0 is equal to 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now convert it into symmetric form. Now convert into symmetric form. That eliminates x from both equation or eliminate y from both. Eliminate x from both equation. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So equation 1 into 2, that is what? 6x minus 4y plus 2z plus 10 is equal to 0. Equation 1 into 2. Equation 1 into 2. Now equation 2 into 3. Equation 2 into 3. So what happens here? 6x plus 9y plus what? 12z minus 12 is equal to 3. And subtract this. So this is minus, this is minus, this is minus, and this is plus. Both cancel. This is minus 13y, and this is what? Minus 10z, and this is what? Plus 22 is equal to 0. Clear? So that is what? Minus 10z is equal to 13y minus 22, or that is equal to what? Minus 10z is equal to 13 common, y minus 22 by what? 13. This is 13 common. So z by 13 is equal to y minus 22 by 13, a by 10. Now eliminate y from both equation. Now eliminate y from both equations. That is y here 3y. Same concept. Equation 1 into 3. That is what? 9x minus 6y plus 3z plus 15 is equal to 0, and equation 2 into 2. So this is 4x plus 9y plus 8z minus 8 is equal to 0. Add this. So this go. What is 9? Not 9 here. That is 6y. Okay. Equation 1 into 3. 9x plus 6 minus 6y plus 3z plus 15 is equal to 0. Equation 2 into what? 2. 4x plus 6y plus 8z minus 8 equal. Add this. So 6y cancel. 13x, and this is what? 11z, and this is what? This is plus 7 is equal to 0. So that implies 11z is equal to minus 13x minus 7. So that is what? That is z. 11z is equal to take minus 13 common, x plus what? 7 by 13. So that is z by 13 is equal to x plus 7 by 13 whole divided by minus 1. So symmetric form of line 2 is what? So symmetric form of line 2 L2 is, that is x plus 7 by 13 by minus what? Minus 11 is equal to y minus 22 by 13 divided by 10 is equal to z by what? 13. This is symmetric L2. Now apply condition for what? Now apply condition for coplanarity. So we will get here A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. That is what? This is point of line L1 minus 4 minus 6, 1, that is x1, y1, z1. DRS of L1, that is 3, 5, minus 2, this is A2, A1, B1, C1. Point of L2, that is minus 7 by 13 and 22 by 13, 0, this is x2, y2, z2. And DRS of L2, that is what, minus 1, not minus 1, 11, minus 11, minus 11, 10, 13, this is A2, B2, C2. And apply the condition for coplanarity. This is apply the condition for coplanarity. Now verify. Now apply condition for coplanarity. Coplanar, that is what? x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. This should be 0. That is x2 minus x1 means what? Minus 7 by 13 plus 4, power 22 by 13 plus 6, 0 minus 1, a1, b1, c1 means what? 3, 5, minus 2 and minus 11, 10, 13. So that is what? And simplify this. After simplification, this will be what? The value is 0. The value is 0. So this, so to be, after simplification we get the value is 0. Therefore the lines are coplanar. Therefore the lines are coplanar. The lines are coplanar. Okay. These are questions regarding to coplanarity. Next video we will do what is the point of intersection of line and plane, and what is the point of intersection of two lines, and some problems related to other concepts. Thank you. Have a nice day.